Hi, I'm Kevin from EyouAgro, your trusted partner in crop protection. Today, I want to answer a question we often get from growers. Do your hail nets come with installation accessories? Absolutely, and that's what this video is all about. When we designed our hail netting systems, we knew that easy installation would be a top priority. So we developed a full range of smart, durable accessories to make setup simple and secure. There are 5 main categories of accessories. 1. Clips for net connection. 2. Clips for top wire. 3. Load release kit, including net clips, bungee hooks, and bungee cords. 4. WinterFix for off-season storage. 5. Pins for net sewing, great for quick extensions or width adjustments. Each component plays a critical role in building a reliable, long-lasting hail protection system. With the right accessories, your hail netting system becomes easier to install, more stable in wind and weather, longer lasting, with less maintenance. Whether you're installing on 5 hectare or 100, choosing the right fittings saves time, labor, and money. Curious which accessories are right for your orchard setup? Or want to see how they work in action? Reach out to us. We'd love to help you find the perfect solution for your crop protection needs. We'll even send you free samples to test before you buy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.